Today we're looking at a Commodore 64 keyboard on a RC2014 system. So this is a RC2014 Pro. It's got a dual serial module here and here. I also got the Pi serial module, so I'm actually using that on the main serial bus. Over here I've actually got a USB to serial as well, but we'll get to him in a minute. So what this guy here is the adapter. Is initially designed by P-Lab to adapt a Commodore 64 keyboard to Apple I, Apple II, or TTL ASCII. It's an awesome device. What I realized is then the Arduino Nano also outputs serial at the same time. So I just edited the source code and added some bodge wires on the back to add a little port for serial. And then I also cheated and used an unused pin for reset. So the Commodore 64 matrix actually has a wire specifically for reset on the restore key. So we can reset our RC2014 right from the keyboard. So how this looks when you turn it on is the Pi terminal takes over, and it's going to say no keyboard detected because it expects a USB keyboard. I didn't really like that support, so I went ahead and did this. Now normally I program it using something else, so thankfully with the dual serial we can kind of make both of these work. So our restore key will reboot the system, and we could start like CPM, stuff like that. I did do uppercase, lowercase, clear home is Control C, as well as run stop will also break out of a basic loop. So if we reset, SCM is awesome. It's just the system monitor for this RC2014 with the compact flash. And you'll notice it has devices right there. So if we run that, so we've got two serial ports. So if we actually type console 2, it will switch us over to the second serial port. And now we're running our RC2014 on that, and you'll notice there's no output here. And we can literally jump it right back. We could either reset the system or we can just run console 1 over here. And that should jump us back to this. So I will post the firmware and the link to the project. Not terribly difficult, pretty easy to build. I did make use of the reset line, so I did use, there's a little transistor here by the 74LS chip. Just pulls reset low instead of high, as far as I understand it. So works really well. Like I said, I'll post info, firmware, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Bye.